What's up YouTube, it's your boy back with another banger, man. In today's video, we're going to be going over the huge Yeezy Slide restock that is going to be happening on September the 4th. Make sure you guys stay tuned for the entire video. Now if you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys do hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and comment down below saying what's your favorite colorway slide off of this list. Let's get straight into the video. Alright guys, so like I said, it's going to be a huge Yeezy Slide restock happening on September the 4th, which is Friday. Now in all colorways, full family sizing is going to be releasing, so that means adults, kids, and infants. Now adult retail for each slide is going to be $55, kid retail for each slide is going to be $45, and infant is going to be $35. And the drop is going to be happening on Yeezy Supply, and it's probably going to be happening on Adidas as well. And we can probably see these also on other retailers like kids, you know what I'm saying? It's like secondary retailers. Now this drop is going to be a worldwide release, not like the first one which was just only a US exclusive. This is going to be a worldwide release, so it gives you a better chance of copying and an easier chance of getting your hands on some of these slides. Now let's go over the 3 colorways that are going to be releasing. So the first colorway is going to be the original Bone. Now if you guys do remember when the Bones dropped, bro, that was like the classic one, you know what I mean? That's like the most hyped one out of all the slides that have been ever made. And when these first dropped, they were sitting on Yeezy Supply, you know what I'm saying? Now if you type these in on StockX or Go, these are going for a cool $300 to $500 depending on what size you have. I wish I would have got these ones when they were sitting, you feel me? $55 to $400, you know what I'm saying? That's an easy come up, for real. So make sure you guys do focus on these, especially the Bones, because those are the most hyped. Now the price of the Bones is probably gonna drop since it is restocking, but I do see them going back up, you know what I'm saying, in the longer term. So make sure you guys do focus on the Bone colorway because that is gonna be probably the most popular one, paying out the most amount of money. Now the second colorway that's gonna be releasing is the Soot, you know what I mean? And this is kind of like a dark brown type, like dark brown, like deep. This is kind of like a dark slash like deep brown colorway, you know what I'm saying? I'm messing with it. It's kind of resembles the Earth that released, but you know what I'm saying, it's just darker. So you know what I'm saying, Kanye is like kind of notorious for releasing the same colorway of shoes, you know what I'm saying? We're not gonna talk about it, we still gonna buy it, but it's basically the same colorway. Make sure you guys do go for these too. These are probably gonna go for a good amount of money as well. Now the last colorway that's gonna be releasing is the Core. Now the Core colorway is kind of like a light brown. I'll pop up some pictures so you guys can see what I'm talking about. Now this is a smooth colorway as well. I like all the colorways of the Yeezy slides. Now guys, in the comments below, let me know if you guys is messing with the colorways or if you even like these shoes at all, you know what I mean? These shoes was getting a lot of hate at first. They was calling them like jail slippers, you know what I'm saying? I ain't even gonna lie, I was calling them jail slippers too, cause they look stupid. Like they ain't look stupid, but like I was like, who really gonna wear these? So make sure you guys do go for these. This is gonna be an essential drop on September the 4th. Now these are probably gonna be selling out very quick since they are very hyped. The Yeezy Slide model is a very hyped model at the moment, so these will probably be selling out very, very quick. And for my non-resellers out there, if you are trying to get your hands on these for some personals, these do fit kind of small, you know what I mean? They kind of fit a little small in your foot. So if you do, for instance, say you wear a size 10 and a half like me, I will go in 11, a half size up. But if you're kind of in that range where you're like wear a size 10, I would probably go a full size up just to not chance it because your foot is going to be uncomfortable from the size difference. So if you wear a 10, go to 11. If you wear a 10 and a half, go to 11. Now, if you guys did enjoy today's video, make sure you guys do hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and comment down below saying what. Now, if you guys did enjoy today's video, make sure you guys do hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and make sure you guys comment down below saying what colorway are you going to be going for on this release. It's me, your boy, and I'm out.